Kazakhstan is a country with many beautiful wild animals. One of them is the snow leopard. Snow leopards are amazing animals with white fur and black and grey spots. They live in the mountains and in the forests of Kazakhstan. In the past, people hunted them for their fur or cut down the trees so they didn't have a home. But today, the people in Kazakhstan are protecting the snow leopard and its home. That is fantastic.
Stonehenge is one of England's oldest monuments. It's about 5,000 years old, but today it is in danger. There are many roads and cars around Stonehenge, and the air pollution from the traffic damages these mysterious giant stones. Tourists must also be very careful when they visit Stonehenge. They mustn't drop litter or gum. We must all try to save this wonderful monument.